Gushers versus the microwave. Let's get right into it. Alright, over 100 gushers going in. Alright. See what this does in the microwave. See how these babies do. And here we go. About 2 minutes and they're really starting to melt. Might be able to melt this down and make one big gusher. Really starting to bubble on the sides, in the middle, everywhere. Really, that looks so cool. Look at all the colors. They're like melting together. I'm gonna do a video where I do crayons. I want to melt a box of crayons and see how cool it looks to melt together in one of my upcoming videos. So stay tuned for that. It's been 4 minutes and it's really starting to smoke in there. Probably only gonna go 5 minutes with this one. Cause like you can't really even see what's going on right now. It's so smoky. Wow. Thirty more seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop that. Let's see what it looks like. Wow. Look at that. That has like all the different colors. It looks like it's burnt in the middle because it's such a dark color. Look at that. It's so hot, it's just bubbling. It's just continuing to bubble. Let's see how close we can get to it. Look at that. All that sugar and gelatin. Wow, look at that. I mean, some of it's still good. Mostly the middle part, that's burnt. That's like charcoal looking color. I'm gonna stir this up a little bit and see what we got. Oh my gosh, this is like hard. Whoa. Look at this. It turned to like tar. Look at that. This looks like the little thing off Spider-Man, man. The Venom.
Amazing!
Wow. I don't want to get too close to this. It might need a host. Look at that. That looks like, man, that looks... It looks like the Venom thing that crawls on you. Look at that. That's unbelievable. I'm gonna take this out. I want to mix some of this up and see. Well, I didn't really do anything, but I mean, it bubbled up. It turned into Venom. I know how to make Venom, man. That's crazy. Look at that. I wonder how that shit tastes. It's probably not good. It looks burnt. It's tarry. All right, guys. Well, this is what happens when you put Gushers in the microwave for 5 to 6 minutes. You can make Venom. You can make Venom. It's unbelievable. All right, subscribe to the channel at Mr. Microwave. Comment below for any ideas you may have that you want to see me experiment with, and I'll try and put those on the channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Whoa! I'm turning into Venom! Whoa!